North Kingstown is truly beautiful. Nestled on the shores of Narragansett Bay, this artistic, cozy community with stunning properties brings together all the best things in life into one neat little package.
In this episode, walk the boutique-lined streets of Wickford, meet one of Rhode Island's most celebrated artists, and tickle your tongue with some delicious craft cooking.
Wickford Village is the heart of North Kingstown. Cutesy, artsy, and full of restaurants, Wickford is an experience in its own right.
And just across the bridge is North Kingstown Beach, popular throughout the year. If there's one word I'm familiar with, it's serendipity. Serendipity Craft and Gift Shop is one of Wickford's boutique businesses. Owner, Melissa Beckwith, has been living here all her life, so we got the lowdown from a local.
Serendipity is all handmade items from either local or Etsy artist. A little bit of everything, from glasswares and soaps, candles, to baby, pet goods, and then a lot of things can be customized also. The fun thing about being the owner is I get to handpick everything. Those are all original photographs. The gentleman lives right in Wakefield. He takes the pictures and then he manipulates them to resemble the 1920s Travelers Bureau posters.
See all those C-130 planes flying over? North Kingstown is also where you'll find Quonset Air Base, home of the Air National Guard 143rd Airlift Wing.
Wickford Station is the last outpost of Boston, with commuter trains serving the Mass state capital daily. Further inland, off Snuff Mill Road, you'll find the exquisite birthplace of Gilbert Stuart, one of the nation's most loved painters.
Remember all the fun we had at Black Oak Tavern in Coventry? Well, let's have some fun here.
Back 40 is the sister restaurant of Black Oak. Combining home-style cooking with high-end thinking, Back 40 has created a welcoming, flavorsome space for all tastes. And that's the move on North Kingstown. See yourself living here? Contact us today to begin the search for your dream North Kingstown home.